This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and I'm a subject matter expert with Python machine learning. This is my another video in ChatBot application, and the topic for today's video is how to create a Twitter bot in Python. As all of you know that Twitter is the social media site where we can post comments, we can write tweets, we can send tweets to a specific person or to a specific group. So therefore I decided to create a program in Python through which I can post images for my promotions, for my company's promotion, along with company's address for various technologies through on Twitter using Python. So let's begin. And first of all, we need to create a Twitter application, and you should have administrative rights for the same. So as you can see, I have got Twitter account and I switched to apps.twitter.com. Now the very first thing which you have to do is, as soon as you visit this link, you will be asked to create a new app. And as you can see, I have already created a new app called BISP test app. So I click on this app. So after we creating an app, we will be getting the access level keys, consumer keys. We'll go to keys and access token. So we got the keys, consumer key, API secret keys, and access token and access token secret, and the access level is read and write. So I can read the tweets from the Twitter, or I can write the tweets on Twitter using automation, using Twitter bot. So once you got these four information, consumer key, consumer secret, the next step we need to do is we need to install a library or a package called TP. So I call pip install tweepy, and I begin installation. Now in my case, as you can see, it's showing an error message. Sorry, it's showing a confirmation message that it's already satisfied because I've already installed this package at the location Python 36 lib site packages. So this library is already satisfied successfully on my environment. Now I'll switch to ideally to write the code, and to write the code or to design the program through which I would be able to post images on Twitter along with my company's address. And for this, what I have done, first of all, I have created a folder in Python 36 named as images, and I stored 4 images. There are 4 images. One is for data science online training, another is for Salesforce Developer 2, then Python, and for SF Salesforce Admin Certification course. And my requirement is to post these images at an interval of 3 seconds or 5 seconds at a specific interval on Twitter along with the company's address. So as you can see, there is no my company address is nowhere mentioned. So I would be writing code where we would be adding company's address at the top of the image, the complete address, and that address will be embedded on this image, and this image will be added on Twitter account. So let's start creating that code. So first of all, I would be importing import tweepy, time, sys from PIL. PIL is for picture image library. So PIL import image, image draw, import OS. This is to read the specific location, and I would be creating the variables consumer underscore key consumer underscore secret access underscore key access underscore secret. And please don't try the consumer keys and these details, because after this demonstration, I would be deleting the app. So you won't be able to use consumer keys and consumer secret, which I'm going to show here. So let me copy the consumer key and consumer secret. That's my consumer key. So I copy this key. That's my consumer key. That's my consumer secret. Access key. And access secret. So here, this is access key, access secret. Fine. Now, the next is we are going to create oath is equal to 3pi dot oath handler consumer underscore key comma consumer underscore secret. So that's the same variable which we have created. So if you are not sure, if you have some doubts with the variable, so we just copy paste it. Same, that's the consumer key and consumer secret. Oath dot set underscore access underscore token, and here pass access key comma access secret. API is equal to 3pi dot API, and I pass oath. Now, my requirement is to read that directory. So I write os dot, I change directory to images. That's the directory where the images are stored within Python 36. So I just write it. I just change the directory. Now, we are not sure how many images are there. Therefore, I'm reusing a for loop. So for model underscore, or let's say for BISP underscore images, image in OS dot list dir. So we would be reading the file, we would be reading the image one by one. So image dot open BISP underscore image. We open that image one by one. Then we write D is equal to, so I would be drawing image draw dot draw image, and I would be adding a text onto that image. So D dot text at the location 10,10, that's the position. We can change the position as required, and I write my text. So what I'm doing, I'm just copying pasting the text from my BISP website. So that's the complete text, BISP trainings, and fill, that's the color I want to fill. img dot show, this is to show. We can first test it, and at the end we would be going to publish this on, we would be add a tweet on Twitter. So let me test it. I just run this code and I write Twitter bot one.py set underscore access ACCESS underscore token, and as you can see, all the images are loading one by one. All the 4 images loaded one by one along with the text I have entered. We have font libraries. Using those font libraries, we can change the font. Now my goal is to write tweet on. My goal is to write tweet on Twitter. So here the library is API dot update underscore with underscore media, and we are or will be passing D over here, and I write time dot sleep, so it will take 3 seconds to publish the images. So the duration between posting will be 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the posting will be done. Now let's test it. And as you can see, I'm using a function called API.update underscore with media D. And when I try to execute it, it throws me an error message that the path should be string byte. And it should not be image draw because I'm using D here as an image draw. This is not acceptable. Here I need to pass BISP underscore image. And the time dot sleep is 3 seconds. Now let me test it. I just run it. And as you can see, it's not throwing any error message. And now let's get to the Twitter and check it. So let me refresh it quickly. And as soon as I refreshed it, I got one image uploaded, published along with the. Then again, I refresh it one more time. And you can see 1, 2, 3 images get updated. And I again run it one more time. So we have 4 images updated successfully along with the text. So that's the way how we can do our promotions, or we can automate the tweets on Twitter using Python. So that's all in this video. If you have some queries, you can write your comment in comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.